Okay, can you guys hear me? I think I'm ready to go. Yep, the delay is really short too. That was like a 2 or 3 second delay. That's cool. I saw some questions. How does when did you start making games? I have a video on my channel about it like 5 years ago. A little more than 5 years, because I made games in like Scratch and then Python before Unity, but I've been using Unity for about 5 or 6 years. Yes, I have a face. How's the brightness in my room? I like turn my LEDs on the floor behind me to like try and make the walls a little brighter in the background. I can also do some like fancy lighting like this. Turn it blue. He sounds kind of dead inside. I did a lot of schoolwork today. Blue, red. Whoa, that's kind of ominous. Yellow. White. I usually keep it on white. Let's keep it on white. Hey everybody. Bots in the stream, yeah, I added Nightbot just to see how it works. Although it like really quickly got mad at pizza there, so I went and turned down the sensitivity. So hopefully it doesn't get mad as quick. You like green the best? What computer do you have? I built my own computer. The specs are they're in like my 2 latest videos, I think. Got a i7 6700K and GTX 970, so it's like 4 years old now. The specs. I built it like 3 or 4 years ago, I think, with about 1-year-old parts because it's cheaper, right? What are we doing today? Well, there's a play test going to be happening tomorrow. If you're in my Discord, if you're not, make sure to join it. And I feel like we should add some more props to the ship map. I think I'll jump in and show you what I've added in the last 2 weeks. And there's also just the other few things that I want to do. Yeah, Nightbot doesn't like pizza. Oh, here's Benji. Benji's back. Were you in Tom's stream, Ben? There he is with his €2. What the heck? Where was Tom's? Why do you just like me? Yeah. Thank you, Benji, again. Hello. How's it going? He did hook you up? Oh, I missed it then. Okay. I wasn't fully paying attention. Well, unlike Tom, I got tunes, so. Okay, well, let's share my screen and start doing something instead of just talking. I guess we'll just jump right into looking at what's in the map. That's basically your helpful hint to have tunes for your next stream, Tom. Although we talked about it, you're gonna have tunes for your next stream, which is nice. Let's start the server here. The reason why is because I usually watch game dev streams literally just to listen to the person's music and then their voice as well. And then when I hear something interesting that's going on, then I like, tab over, see what they're up to. You wish you could make games as easy as I can, says Studio Jace. I don't know if I can make games easy. Unless 10 euros through super chat. Are those euros? With the 10 euros from Alas, thank you. Notice me, daddy. I notice you. Burnt my eyes on 720p. What do you mean? Yeah, game dev, I wouldn't say it's easy for anybody. It gets easier the more experience you get, yeah, but I wouldn't say it's really easy for me, especially because I'm doing something like multiplayer, which is, you know, reaching the limit of my skill level. I still don't know how to do some things, right? I didn't make my multiplayer solution from scratch, right? I have Tom to thank for that. Um, but yeah, you just start small and watch tutorials on YouTube from Brackies or whoever. And, you know, the more experience you get with it, the better you get at it. Yeah, here is the lobby. I don't think we're gonna have enough people to, you know, make it really jam-packed in here. The server will probably blow up before we have enough people to make it feel claustrophobic in here. So I'm not gonna touch the size of this for now. Let's actually not. Let's just do /map ship. He's challenging you. 12.14 American dollars. It came up as euros. 15.5 Canadian dollars. Is that what 10 euros is? What? Or is that what 12.14 American dollars is in Canadian? As I walk around here, you'll notice some things that I've added around. Those might not be permanent. I just kind of want a way to get up here. I also started placing railings here. I made the stairs look a little bit better. Go down here. All the hallways have like these like ribbiting kind of to make them look less boring. Now that I look at it, the lights are not centered, so yeah. We're gonna not bake lighting today and lag out the stream, even though it kind of sucks we can't see the final product with nice lighting. I'll post screenshots on the Discord server after. Okay. Yep. By the way, I think so. We're gonna need to place some stuff in these two rooms today, hopefully. So, yeah, one of these is gonna be like the bunk room, and the other one's gonna be like a canteen, like kitchen and cafeteria area. Got some pipes in the hallway, more riveting. Yeah, I think this is what we did last time. Here it is with all the good lighting. You also saw it in my devlog. Oh, I heard the ding. Benji with another 2 euros. Are you going to do a tutorial on matchmaking? Yeah, I've gotten some requests about that. Although I don't have matchmaking in my game yet. I just have server listing. In terms of matchmaking, you can't just do that with a database. You need like a relay server in between to, you know, match people up. So I don't really know about that. The server listing part I could make a tutorial on. It's pretty easy though. It's just like the scoreboard. Instead of putting up scores, you put up servers. Donation battle incoming. I mean, I'm not gonna say no. Although it does suck that YouTube takes 30% of super chats. I mean, yeah, they gotta make money, but you know, usually donations is kind of not the best to take a cut of that. Ad revenue makes sense, but donations? Here comes another 2 euros with... Oh, that's a sticker. I wonder how the sticker's gonna show up. Actually, I wonder if the sticker super chat will show up in the event thing from Streamlabs. You still have 4 euros to catch up. Oh, it does show up. It just says through super chat. Okay. Imagine being rich. Yeah, I wish I was rich. Yeah, so here's the storage room that we did last time. Here's Herb. Here's Herb. I'm not sure if this is the final state of Herb, but I think he looks pretty good. You know, if you look at the model in low poly and you know what it is, I say that's a good model. They shouldn't take so much. Yeah, I agree. Like, they're donations, right? Although it might not be. I'm not sure if it's right to say that because, you know, YouTube is the reason why I can stream right now, right? YouTube is the reason why I can make videos for you guys. So, you know, you got to pay them somehow. But ad revenue, yeah, they can take their cut. I'm not sure about these super chats though. Hey, Goofy King. Oh, I just triggered my Google Home. Thought it was gonna talk for a minute. Yep, and now we're up here. Doo-doo. I also added some boxes over here. Jump, jump. Boxes, so you can get up here. Yep. Pew pew. Shoot shoot. Just give myself a. Oh, I heard it again. Benji, why don't you use Twitch? Yeah, actually, I want to use Twitch. I like Twitch more than YouTube for streaming. But, and I did a poll on my Discord server. I don't have anybody on Twitch, so if I stream on Twitch, I'm gonna get like just maybe 5 viewers. At least here I've gotten up to like 30 viewers, which is nice because of everybody on my YouTube channel sees that I'm streaming pop up for them, right? So I do get a little bit more people, which is nice. If I actually do stream like a lot, then hopefully, and if people like my streams, then I could maybe move to Twitch. But for now, I think YouTube is the way to go because that's where my audience is. And it seems like it does have potential to be good because like I'm gonna use Tom's stream as an example. Like he got like crazy amount of viewers that seemingly came out of nowhere last stream, which was pretty awesome. So the algorithm picks it up sometimes, it seems. Can somebody give me a simple tip to get better at coding? Tom says, Google anything you don't know and stick with it. Yep, what Tom said. Google it, YouTube it. Yeah, there's tons of stuff on the internet about coding, so yep. Also, reading's docs is key. Yeah, you have to not be scared to read. A lot of people, they want a nice YouTube tutorial, but in order for me to make the YouTube tutorial on Firebase stuff, I had to go read the docs. So yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna point out the one thing that I think we should work on first here is that if I do this, I'm stuck down here. I'm basically waiting to get shot. So we gotta do something about that. Basically what I wanna do is just make just a trigger. Kills me. Shouldn't take that long. Casual Dutchman is here and he says, good night, guys. Did I miss you here earlier? But good night. I think it's probably pretty late where you are, right? Good night to you. You watch the tutorial on YouTube and copy their code. Is that okay? Well, yeah, it's okay to copy the code, but you should also try and understand exactly what it is that the code's doing. Listen to their explanation during the YouTube video, go through it, tweak it, try and understand it yourself, because that's how you're going to learn, and that's how you're going to be able to eventually not have to watch a tutorial in order to do something. Right? There's that jump from just copying the code, and then there's actually copying the code but understanding exactly what it does. You were just saying hi, Casual Dutchman? Well, hi. And if you have to go, bye, I guess. Yeah, it's pretty late there. Yeah, sorry. I usually stream Saturdays in the afternoon, but tomorrow's playtest, so just tried to stream tonight. 1 a.m. You're tired, Benji? Well, then go to bed. Thanks for the donations. Hi, bye. Networking is black magic and nothing else, says Tom. But Tom is the master of the black magic. Okay, so here's the server, and we have an error. Huh. So I just want to take a screenshot of this error so I can see what it is. To look into that. Yeah, here's the server. You can see it's all pink. And that is because I removed all the materials from the server side, which I think was the right move. You only understand and pretend the power. You only pretend to understand the power that I wield, says Tom. What type of stream will this be? Model / code / other stuff. Because we're about to do a little bit of coding, but very little. Just like a death trigger. Good night, says Benji Vibes. With the final €2 donation, I'm guessing. It'll probably be on the screen in 1 second. So everything, yeah, a little bit of everything. So let's set up this death trigger here. There it is, super chat from Benji. Coding stream, let's go. This is not going to be that much coding. The code's already there. I'm literally about to copy and paste it from another location because I'm already able to do /kill, right? So I'm literally just going to make the trigger do the same thing. And also we're gonna have to put in a custom message for like killed by water, because when you jump in the water, right? Okay, enough talk here. I gotta think about what I'm doing here. Let's go to the scene here. Scenes. Ship. Holy purple or pink. €1 from LS. Did I say your name right? LS? I think so. Thank you, LS, for the €1 and no message. Oh, I see. They're battling it out. Here comes Benji with the €1. Zippy will be in the thousands by the end of the stream. Gotta pay for the university. Keep it coming. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, what this will be paying for is server hosting, probably, or anything else like that. You gotta get a top donation thing above your head. Yeah, you're right. I wonder if that's easy to add. Ticker, donation goal, charity goal. What does ticker do? Add source. Done. Name, amount, source. Oh, I think this is only for Streamlabs. I have to figure out how to get it to show for super chats. I'll figure that out for the next stream, I guess. I thought it'd be an easy add. Remove. Okay. Oh, go. LS with €1 again. Guys, are you gonna... one of you's gotta win. Go to bed, LS, says Benji. Okay, you guys are distracting me here. So right now I've got something. What is... yeah, water plane. So I think I'm literally just gonna make a new script, because I'm sure I'm gonna have to do this in the future, is like just have a trigger, like a death trigger. So I'm just gonna make a death trigger class here, I think. Because I'm sure I'll need something like this again. Death trigger. Death trigger here. Death trigger. There we go. Let's slap her on this thing. Add component. Death trigger. There we go. Now this is where we go look up what I'm doing. This is client. Shoot. Server. This is where I think it's on collision enter. Yeah. Collision. Call. Zippy uses the theme on dark? One dark? What? One dark? Are you talking about Visual Studio? €2 from Benji. I don't know what to say. Oh man, it's so hard to keep up the chat and actually be productive here. Okay. Okay, let's go to my chat and /kill. So what do I do here? I just do this. Okay. I should literally just be able to do that. Else. Yep, so I should be able to do this in the death trigger if call.tag is equal to is it dot transform dot tag player, I think. Let's see. Finally in a game design class. You're going to use Unity very soon? Cool. Are they using Unity in this game design class? Prefabs, player. It has the tag player, yep. So that's what we're going to use. Now we're going to need to get what their ID is here. So be call dot get component transform dot get component player on the server, right? Dot ID, yep. Dot player dot die. What does this take? By player. Because they're not dying from a player, they're dying from hitting the water. Teacher else. Can I use my Steam wallet to pay for donation? No, go buy yourself a game. So right now, the way this is set up, you can only die from a player or the server. So I think I'm just going to make myself die from the server, because right now, if I pass it -1, I think, it comes up with the message that you died by the server. So I'm just going to do that for now. I'm going to need to come up with a way of making natural ways of dying. So let's just pass it -1 for now, which means by the server. So it'll show up in the chat as killed by the server. The other thing that I should do is I should keep track of the last person that hit them. So I can say, you know, drowned while fighting whoever, and then they actually maybe get the kill, even though they jumped out overboard. If they hit him just before he jumped overboard, then they'll still get the kill type of thing. Okay, so this should work, I think. Simple trigger. Phone's going off. Okay, let's go test this. Water plane has it on there. Mesh collider. Let's see what happens. Start the server. Over here, start the client. Okay, join. Server's not showing up. Why? Why? Oh, we got an error. Oh, it's because I started in the wrong scene. Scenes. I gotta start in the lobby scene right now. There we go. Which library are you using for the multiplayer features? I'm using, I call it TomNet, but I'm using Tom Whalen's networking solution. Links in the description of this stream, I think, and every video related to this project on my channel. So you should be able to find it. He has a tutorial on all the basics, how to make the basics. So yeah, go check it out. Here we go. Slash map ship. What's suicide? Perfect. Killed by the server. That's good enough for now. Yeah. That's good enough for tomorrow. That's perfect. Pauses to think how to pronounce Wayland. I say it right, right? I remember asking him how to pronounce it when I first mentioned it. I'm pretty sure I say it right, right? Right, Tom? Right, if you're still there. Wyland? Oh, crap. Did I say it right in my videos then? Now I'm freaking out. Did I? You probably don't remember. I remember asking you though, so I'm pretty sure I said it right. Hopefully I said it right. Yeah, you can't remember. Well, I'm sorry if I said it wrong. I remember asking you, so I'm pretty sure I did. Okay, I'm just rambling and running around here. But what we just did works, right? Yee. Killed by server. Perfect. Lind or land? Y land? Pretty sure it's Y land. Okay. What else was on my list? That was the first thing. I think slash lobby. Oh, slash map lobby. German name, yeah. I want to update the valley image because it's a little outdated. It's missing the cars, it's missing the new clouds and that kind of stuff. So let's go take a screenshot of that. Slash, actually I'm going to build the game for that so I can get a full screenshot. Builder. Hopefully this shouldn't take up too much performance. Hopefully. Weather and time system. I actually messed around with a time system. I can show you in a minute actually. Well, not really coding, just the skybox shader. But then I soon realized that I really do not need to be working on this because this is a thing that, you know, we don't need to worry about different time right now. So, but yeah, eventually I think we'll definitely have different times because I was working on a skybox shader for it, but I'm not very good with shaders, so I was more kind of learning. I'll show you in a minute. Did my music stop? I can still hear it. Can you not hear it? It might stop a little bit in between music. You can hear it again. Yeah, it must have been changing music. Kraken off in the distance. I think I might put like some sharks or something eventually. Must have been between songs. Yep. Oh, it's taking forever to build. It's because I switched the build over to ICP or whatever it's called. The more secure build. So what got you into game dev? Probably just playing games. How'd you, yeah, just playing games. I always want to know how they worked. I think I said it already, but there's the first kind of game devy YouTube channel or YouTube video on my channel is about all the games that I've made and kind of a little bit at the start how I got into it. How'd you learn to code? Pretty much by making games. Before making games, I knew a little bit how to code because my dad is kind of into coding, so there it is, IL2CPP. But yeah, mostly just by watching YouTube videos. I did take 2 courses in high school on programming in Java, and then now in university I have taken 3 courses on programming, and I'm on my 4th one, technically 5th as well. I'm taking 2 courses that kind of have programming this term. But none of it's been game dev. All game dev is all kind of on my own. Game dev or game go burr. Yeah, I know that took a long time. I think it might be because I just changed or I just baked the lightning and a bunch of stuff. Okay. Join. /map valley. I can also show off the settings screen, which I'm pretty it's pretty cool to see the change in the world when I raise and lower the settings. Settings low, apply. Just butchers the look of the game. But this should hopefully get those real low-end PCs way better performance, hopefully. It does butcher the look, though. And through my, you know, in testing and trying to figure out why this map takes up so much power, and I think it's because, one, Unity terrain is they need to update the way Unity terrains work because they're not very performant. But I think it's all this grass that really takes up a lot of the performance. But I mean, it looks cool, so if you have a computer that can handle it, yeah. Is it lagging on the stream? It kind of looks laggy. How does it look for you guys? Is it lagging for you guys? It is lagging for you guys? Huh. It does lag. See, in some of my earlier videos, people were complaining, why is the game so laggy? And it's OBS does not like recording it for some reason. So yeah. Yep. Why are the clouds not on? The clouds aren't on. Why aren't the clouds on? That's weird. I wonder if that has to do with the settings. Laggy on stream in that scene? Yeah, it's weird that scene lags. I think OBS does not like... I don't know, I need to mess with my settings more, but I've messed with them like crazy. Yeah, the clouds died, I think, when I turned down the settings. I'll have to look into that, and I don't think they came back when I turned back up the settings. But let's go back and let's go reload the scene from start. /map valley. The cloud should be back now. Yep. Yeah, that's when I turned down the settings. Let's go take a screenshot from up here. This is about where I took the screenshot from last time. Kind of wish the clouds were more over there. Let's reload the scene once and see if we can get some more clouds over there. Yeah, all of a sudden it became a non-cloudy day. There we go, there's some more clouds over there now. Okay, let's go like right here, I think. Here? I think that's a good screenshot of the map, yeah. Turn off the HUD. Open snipping tool here. Snippy snip snip. And bring the game back up. How am I gonna do this here? Gotta do new. There we go. And snip. File, save as. I should be able to just overwrite the other one. Should be pretty easy. See all my secret files. Quickly go through them. Multiplayer game, game client, assets, images, valley map.jpg, save, yes, overwrite it, close this, /map blah b. I wonder if that literally already replaced it here. Nope. Try and reload the game. Oh wait, it wouldn't replace it. I wasn't in the bloody in Unity. I was in a built-up version of the game. Can't wait to playtest. Yeah, it'll probably be a complete laggy mess, but we'll see how it goes. You don't use window/print screen? No, because I have a second monitor, so it'll grab them both. Snip Duo works just as good. There we go. Yeah, that's got the new stuff. Oh, that's definitely a color change there. How's it looking here? Looks nice in here, but that is really bright. Set. That looks fine. Ship set. I think that's just because I don't know how I can make that look better. It looks very washed out, you know what I mean? I think it's just because of all the bloom and stuff. Nah, it doesn't look good. Unlit shader. Get out of my way, notification. Oh, you guys can't see what I'm doing. It's underneath my little camera. LS says, hey, Zippy, Zipper. Say I have a character stats like in an RPG, you know. What would be the best way to save them? Currently using binary formatter, but I don't know if that's as secure as I want for a multiplayer game. So you want to save them locally? Like on their own computer? I don't know what the best option would be to keep them secure. I think it's pretty much impossible to keep them secure. If it's on the person's computer, they'll be able to get it. But putting it in something like binary is probably your best bet, yeah. I haven't done any of that myself, so. Universal render pipeline. What does lit look like? Ugh. Why is that so dark? I don't like how blue it is. I think we're gonna have to deal with it. Universal render pipeline. Simple lit. Nah, so I guess we're gonna have to just go with unlit. Even though it looks very bright. Very bright. Holy. Way down a little bit. I think that'll have to do. Try a focus shot. Maybe on the waterfall area or something. I don't know, I kind of like the full shot. It shows what the whole map looks like. I think I like the full shot of the map. It looks really good in this screen. What do you guys think? Looks good? Okay, so what can we work on next? I think we're gonna go and put some props in the basement there. in the basement, in the under deck of. Just a suggestion. Yep. Thanks. We're gonna go put some props in the sleeping quarters and canteen, I guess, or cafeteria. Full shot looks good, says Jib Jap. Yeah, I think we're gonna go with a full shot. I'm sure it'll change in the future, but for now, it's good enough. Let's get out of this. And hop in Blender. So, let's turn off the hull. So we've got in the last stream we did the storage room here, or the cargo hold, I think is what I'm gonna officially call it. I guess you can't see it in here, only in Unity. But anyways, we did that room. We've got the engine room pretty good. Now we've got these two rooms, which I think I'm gonna go pretty quick in them and just throw some stuff in them today, because we don't have all night. But let's go look at some reference images of what these things might actually look like. You open a tab here. Boop. Okay. Ship sleeping quarters. Sure. Huh. Yeah, I'm thinking like, that seems real tight, but something like this, like bunks. I think my ship is the interior is kind of big. For what an actual ship, they're very, very compact, right? But, yeah. Thinking something like this. Video game. Minecraft. Won't sleep through, just leaving. Okay, bye, says LS. Yeah, go to bed. See ya. So it's also Minecraft. Mandalorian ship. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy, I'm just getting myself down in here. Okay. Let's make ourselves a bunk. I'm not going to bed, silly. No, go to bed. Past your bedtime. Just a bit more space to walk. Yeah, like this seems pretty big for sleeping quarters, but maybe we'll make 2 rows of bunk beds, 1 along each wall, and then 2 rows in the middle or something. I don't know what I'm imagining. Yeah, let's go. Let's add a cube. Starts with a cube. Call it the ship bunk. So we want to make that basically. What are you guys working on tonight? What's the shortcut for bridge? You mean like filling in these? F? Zippy humming us. Yep. Wait, how did I end up with only... Wait. Okay, maybe that's okay. Oh, crap. Setting up my app top. You mean laptop? Anybody doing game dev tonight? Faces, delete, fill in the faces on my own. You're recording? How are you recording while watching something? I better not be in the background of anything. Laptop, yeah. Not used to this keyboard. Yeah, new keyboards are, you ever get used to them? You have headphones on? Yeah, but, oh, so you're recording like real life audio, not your desktop audio. Or you're using your phone or something, okay. You're watching you on the new laptop as you're setting it up, cool. Mechanical keyboard, yeah, I think you can probably hear my keyboard. Mine's a mecha membrane, which is like type of mechanical keyboard, I think. Turn this off. Just watching the stream. Only 10 viewers. Yeah, that's fine. I'm not lucky like Tom, and the algorithm doesn't like me. I really don't know what happened with that stream though. I went crazy. And we were looking at where the views came from, and they were not all from just his channel, so yeah. What the heck happened here? Ah, it killed all my inside faces here. Let's fix that, I guess. I don't know. Maybe, I think you probably have to get a certain threshold and then YouTube starts pushing your stream or something. You probably need like 50 viewers or something. Maybe. I'm just guessing. And then YouTube's like, hey, this is a good stream. Let's push it. That's fine. I'm not looking for the attention at my bad modeling. Minecraft ASMR PewDiePie. Yeah, let's break it like the polls. I added tags to... There's a question for Tom. Did you put tags in your stream before you started streaming? Because I did that today to see maybe that could have been part of the problem. Of course, that's why I'm subbed. To watch the streams, yeah. I should start putting up polls. Yeah, I was thinking about trying it, but just kind of, you're just trying to follow a kind of a bad trend of people trying to break the algorithm, right? So I'm like, nah. Let's try this. What does this do? Nightbot apparently has it. That's poll commands default docs new new test blue or red. Sorry, I'm trying something. Does this work? Where to find out? I don't think it worked. Whole new title, then option 1, then option 2. Blue, red, pull. Didn't work, so. Enabled, it says enabled. Options. Oh. I'm supposed to make a straw poll and a link. I don't know why it didn't work. It's weird. It's supposed to have those bars in between it. Let's just copy the one straight from the example they gave me. Nope. Does this work? Nope. Oh, it does work. Oh, there's the straw poll. Took a while. There you go, you can go do the straw poll. It's just really delayed, probably because I'm only a 10, 13 person stream. You're not priority. Here, go answer the poll. Should I bake pizza? Yes. I mean, we can use this for future things. But no, I'm not making pizza at 8 o'clock at night. Should probably install Blender on here, huh? Yeah. Go install Blender. Well, I should bake pizza, but I'm not going to bake pizza. Psych! Wonder why the first one didn't work. I wrote it the exact same, didn't I? The same formatting, right? You have to go for 20 minutes? Okay, see you, Tornado. I'll still be here. This is going to take me longer than 20 minutes, that's for sure. See ya. Should I get ooh roll? No, that's only for my girlfriend. Only her, okay? If I ever need mods, I'll make another roll. Yeah. How do you say it? How do you say P-L-A-I? Pie or ply? Pie? How do you say it? Did y'all not watch his latest video? Who? What? Where? Who didn't watch? I was pretty proud of my latest one. I thought the editing was really good. I literally spent a whole week editing it. Mind you, that was only like an hour a day or less. Because school, of course. But, yeah. Yeah. It's kind of a dilemma. Like, do I make more videos or do I do more game dev? Because, like I just said, that takes a week out of doing game dev instead used on editing a video, right? So here's the question. How the heck did they get up there? I guess there's no ladder here either. Didn't watch it fully. Okay, wait, how do I pronounce your name? Ply? You weren't even subscribed till last week. Wow, fake. Play. You pronounce it as play? Okay. I'm thinking like the AI was like an ply. So yeah, sorry about that. Terrible with names. What was I doing? I have a group project, programming project, and known them for about, work with them about 3 weeks. And the one guy says, "By the way, you're saying my name wrong." And I'm like, "Why didn't you tell me sooner? I've been saying your name for like 3 weeks now this way." So yeah, don't be afraid to speak up if somebody's saying your name wrong. Yeah. Because it's much more awkward if you just continue avoiding it and are annoyed yourself than if you just, and I guess it's awkward the longer you wait too. So do it right away. Yeah. Let people know that they're saying their name wrong. Ah. Oh, wrong one. Why? Okay. Got some drawers down there. Can you guess what this is? What is this? What is this? Blanket? Pillow. Yeah. Cheesy name. I was going for more the pillow, yeah. Scale. Lunchbox. Pillow. 2 a.m. Time to sleep. Thanks for the stream. Yep, see ya. Sorry for the late stream. I didn't realize that I have a lot of people in, I guess you guys are in the, Europe somewhere? Jip, if you're still there, unless you left already. I think you guys must be in Europe, so GMT or something. Netherlands? Yeah, Netherlands. Yeah, so it's definitely late at night there. Okay, let's just slap this in Uni and just see how it looks. Ship bunk. Yep. File, export, FB. Actually, one sec. Recalculate normals. Also, UV. Cube projection. Let's throw the material on it here. Prototype material. File, export, FBX. Ship bunk. Export. Boom, boom. Bring her up, Unity. Me and Jipchap, you're both in the Netherlands? Yeah, I think Alessa, I've talked to you about like skiing or something, so I knew you were there. Add me on Xbox Live. Kind of lonely out here. Throw your username in the chat. I don't have Xbox Live, but in case somebody else does. You donated lots. You donated a bunch to me, so yeah, throw it in the chat. Throw it in Discord actually too. There you go. Scenes. Ship. Ship map. Sorry. Models, maps. I'm joking, man. I don't play that old piece of junk anymore since years. Man, I was just trying to be nice. But yeah, I'm not an Xbox person either. I feel ya. Not a console person. It looks pretty good. Yeah. Not looking at it though. This room looks kind of huge for this. You are always nice. Thank you. I try to be. Yeah. I try to be. Ship bunk. Getting on the ship map. Get this thing static. Apply all. You know what else it needs? It needs a colliders and generate light map UVs apply. Convex. Convex. Why can't I see them? It's because I need to go in here. Ship bunk. Convex. It's not showing me the colliders. Weird. Generate colliders. Generate light map UVs. Oh, materials. I literally just did this with the other thing, but I don't remember. Ship map. Ship prototype. Yeah, that's the material. There we go. Why is the like colliders not showing? There we go. Let's go and have gizmos on. I'm gonna not make it convex though because it's got the big holes. Lol, this stream is a lot more entertaining than your last one. No offense, by the way. Yeah, no offense taken. What? We're not doing much different though. Am I talking more? Game dev streams boring in general. Yeah, like I said, usually when I watch game dev streams, I just have it on in the background while I'm doing game dev, just for the music and for their voice. And then if I hear something interesting go down, then I tab over and see what they're up to. Exactly what local PC nerd said. No, I don't think it sounds weird. I do the exact same thing. Do the same thing as you. Unless if it's a Q&A, yeah. Well, this can always be a Q&A if you have questions to ask. Yippers, Zippy will answer to the best of his ability. So I don't know the answer to everything. Oh, did I make it tile perfectly? Oh. We gotta check the scale on this, but I kind of want to keep it that size so I can just tile it right along. Let's flip the scale on one of these. -1. Oh, not that way. 1. -1. Not that way. No, 1. -1. There we go. That's the way. To make it, we're gonna flip every one so it's more interesting. Your music's superior, so I wouldn't do it for the music. Good point. You probably have better music, and then you get the exact music you want. How do you gain an edge on the competition tomorrow? Not sure, can't tell you. I don't know. Whoa, that's weird. I can like see through the map. What the heck? Whoa, X-ray. What is doing that? Oh, I think it's because I'm in... Huh. When you're in like prefab mode, that's weird. Kind of cool. Huh. I've made my own shader somehow. Okay, let's look at the scale of this. Keep getting sidetracked here. Scenes. Yeah, I really keep getting sidetracked. I just got sidetracked by that. Main menu. Let's turn on the... Oh, server's already on. Perfect. Hidden mechanics. No, that was just in prefab mode. I don't know what that was. That was only in the editor. That is not in the game. Will there be anti-cheat tomorrow? Me typing /ban in the chat, is that good enough? I've returned what I've missed. Just Zippy rambling on. Actually, one thing that I said to you, and I wasn't sure if you were there, is did you put in your stream, the last one you did that got like a lot of views, did you put tags in the stream before you started streaming? Like while you were streaming, did you put tags in like all the settings? Because I did that this time to see if it would make a difference. You don't remember? Says Tom. I think I did. Yeah, so the last 2 times I didn't put tags. I left it empty until, even though it doesn't matter because I didn't make them public. But I made sure to put tags in it this time because I was thinking maybe that's why yours got picked up a lot. I also think it's just because there's probably just a magic threshold where, you know, like 50 viewers, then YouTube's like, okay, let's try pushing this and seeing if you had the tags that you set to default. Although I have default tags set and they didn't pop up for the stream, so like they didn't populate in the stream tags, so oh, I'm getting so distracted. /map. Shit. Okay. Not sure if you added or changed any of them. Okay, so that's probably not it. I think there's probably just a threshold that you reached that then YouTube started recommending it, which is awesome. The threshold thing's probably true. Yeah, I really think it is. You know, you have way more subscribers than me, so you know, just those regular subscribers coming in got you up to the threshold, and then YouTube started pushing it like crazy. Zach Ross 1234, nice. Gmail, thanks. Where did you see that? Where did you see that? Did I open a Chrome tab or something? On my PayPal? Oh yeah, I guess from my website? Getting DDoXed? Yeah, I was just kind of like, what? Where did you see that? Does that look like the character size? It's gonna let me do this? Nope. Why would it? It's getting updated constantly. Armature. Nope. Models. Character. That is not the right scale. At all. Never mind. Kinda did that. Forget I did that. Prefabs. Player. Just gonna let me move him? Nope. Okay, forget I did anything. Probably just give me a bunch of errors. No, it didn't. Okay, I think they need to be bigger, unfortunately. That sucks. What do you guys think? I think they need pause Unity. Oh, genius, Tom. What am I thinking? Yeah, they need to be bigger. The scale seems off. So yeah, they need to be, let's make it like 25% bigger. Thank you, Tom, for that geniusness. Oh boy. Let's just pretend that didn't happen. Yep, then you can, yeah, in pause mode, yep. Have I ever watched Danny? Yeah, I watched Danny. I actually watched him pretty before he got popular too. I watched him when he was working on, I don't know what it was called, but it was like this cowboy game where I remember, although I think those are the videos that possibly made him pretty popular before Carlson. I think that was like his kind of first wave was that game. Stickman games. Yeah, that's about when I joined watching Danny, and yeah, I've watched everything since. He makes good, entertaining content, and he off the sticks. Yeah, that's the name. The way he targets his content is genius, right? He targets game dev and gamers. So, and there's a lot more gamers than game devers. So it's very smart. Yeah, and it works for him. He targets two audiences, and yeah, it's perfect. He's a thumbnail and title madman too. Yeah, definitely clickbaiter. Although clickbaiter, but then he usually does exactly what he says in the clickbait in the video, which is just if you can get that combo, that's just perfect for YouTube. If you can get a clickbait title and then actually do what the clickbait title says, that's a pretty good formula for success on YouTube. Okay, I need to stop. I need to think what I was doing. Upscaling the beds. Oh boy. Just chatting stream, yeah. I don't want the cupboard, I just want that stuff. Let's move it up. 0.2? No. Actually, I also want this. 0.1. Okay. Now let's move all this stuff down negative 0.1. Okay, there we go. Move this over a bit. Actually, yeah, move that over a bit. Copy its position. Grab this one, put it in the exact same position. Remove the minus sign. There we go. Export it to Unity. Boom. Hop in Unity. Open up the scene. Procrastinating all day. I got a bunch done today, actually. Got finished one assignment, did a lab today. Watched 2 lectures. I'm basically screwing Tom right now because he said he procrastinated today, but Tom, you suck. No. Everybody needs a procrastination day. I think Sundays are usually my procrastination days. Finished exams yesterday. Yeah, high school exams over. Woo. I don't know how I'm gonna deal with this. It's kind of annoying I can't just perfectly snap them. Let's check the size now. Prefabs. Player. Yoink. Rotate. Yoink. Sleepy sleep. There we go. That's a good size. A little bit bigger. Crap. Hire xzippyzachx to edit for you. I don't know if that's that sounds like a burn. Well, I guess it could sound like a burn. Although Tom doesn't really like editing. I kind of like editing. But I gotta break it up over a few days or else it does get tiring. Yeah, I was thinking a burn as in you saying that Tom's editing isn't good. I know what you mean though. You just mean so that he doesn't have to do it. The last video, yeah. Last video you didn't mind it. The editing? And I thought editing was good on your last video. Yeah. You changed it up a little bit, which was nice. I think you need that every once in a while. You avoid doing it, end up having to do it all in one day. Yeah. What I do is take like a week. I write the script on the weekend, edit it throughout the week, like an hour a night after school, and then post it on Saturday. And yeah, so then it really feels spread out and not overworked. Paid off with the last one. Yeah. I like for you because you don't have anything else. Like even if you split it up like over a week, like maybe an hour a day in between game dev, it'd be good. Suck at spreading things out. Yeah, you gotta be a little bit disciplined to do that. You gotta have the problem with that is you have to have the urge multiple times to want to go and work on it, right? If you spread it out. Whereas if you just do it all in once, you just need that urge once to get it done, and it's usually that pretty big urge a day before you have to upload, right? But it's a good thing to get good at, because then same thing with like school assignments is spreading out school assignments makes it less overwhelming. Chances are that you'll finish it on time are a lot better too. I guess I'm just kind of gotten good at that. I don't know. I'm rambling again. Let's go make the bunk bigger. This is a just chatting stream. Did you guys know that? I think it's 0.05. I'm the best editor in the world, says play. 0.05. Oh. 0.05. There we go. Yeah, that bed's looking pretty thick. Danny, what? Danny say what? File export. I wonder if some kind of collaborative just chatting streams would be popular in the game dev community. Isn't that kind of like what indie dev chat is? Matt hasn't done a stream in a while. Wonder why. Yeah, he was saying how he kind of wants to format it more of a conversation rather than an interview. And I think that's what he wants. It just kind of turns into an interview. Yeah, when's Tom's chat with Matt? He's taking time off right now. Yeah, for the new year probably, I guess. That's good. I see. So when he'll be back eventually, I'm sure. And then we'll get some indie dev chat. I'm pretty sure he said that he would like to have me back on last time I was on, so, and if he does, then yeah, I'll be willing to. And there's lots of other people that I think are more should get a turn first, because there are lots of other I want to say better, yeah, or like more known devs that I think should be on there. Yeah. I'd like to hear it from a bunch of game devs, actually. I'm thinking maybe something a bit more broad, not just related to game dev, but YouTube and stuff as well. So like a bunch of people like in a Discord chat type of thing, and just stream it as well while we talk type thing. Now that Discord has replies, you wish that the same thing was in every chat now, there, Tornado? 2 or 3 people? Yeah. I know he has had like 3 people on his game dev chat thing before. Okay, so I'm thinking over here, like maybe lockers and showers. I don't know. Let's get rid of this guy. Bye-bye. And we'll do this row right here, -1. And then we're going to put some lockers and maybe shower or something over there. Maybe not today, but eventually. Put in here, create empty, bunk room. Put all these things in the bunk room here so they are kind of out of the way a little bit here. Organization. xzippyzachx SMP 1.17 comes out in the summer. Wait, what am I missing here? I'm reading too low down. Otherwise, a bit too chaotic. Also, when are we starting our Minecraft Let's Play series? The Tom Zippy SMP. Yeah, I said in the summer would probably be the only time that works for me. It depends where I'm working in the summer, if I even have time. But yeah, that'd be cool. The game dev SMP. Yoink. Oh boy, that's gonna hit the door. And that's gonna hit the door. Wait, is it gonna hit the door here? This side is, that's for sure. Bye-bye. Can't tell with this ambient occlusion if that's good enough. Delete this one too. But trusted people would play more. Sorry for haven't played Minecraft since 1.8. Yeah, lots changed. Making it public would be a moderation mess. Yeah, it'd have to be like invite only. Trusted people on a whitelist. Yep. You know, it'd have to be like, you know, like SMP rules, right? Like, you know, obviously you both need to want to be killing each other if you're gonna do that. No looting, stuff like that. How do I know where the middle is here? I gotta say, my chat is pretty active for the amount of viewers. Like, I watch streams on Twitch with like 50 people, and there's like nothing in the chat. But I think the part of that is because those 50 people don't know each other. Whereas all 10 of you guys, or a good portion of you guys, know each other. So you guys are talking away, you know, on the side while I'm going here, instead of in Discord. Which feels kind of nice, that the chat's way more active than a stream with 50 viewers. It's gonna mess up the lighting, but we're gonna do it. Oh wait, I have to do that in Blender. I want to move the door to be centered. I'll do that in Blender. There we go. There's bunks in the bunk room. I'm learning Java. I was planning on making mods. Maybe try to code some rules for an MC server. Those are called plugins. Yeah, like plugins for an MC server. I've always wanted to do mods in Minecraft, but yeah, never got around to it. You don't need to sub on Twitch to talk. What? Yeah, it's only, you know, streamers with a whole bunch of people, they turn sub-only chat on. You can do the same thing here, like member-only chat on YouTube. Vanilla for the win. Yeah, definitely vanilla Minecraft server. I can't keep up with the chat. At me if you're asking me something, because I'm not paying attention. There we go. There's the bunks. Let's make a locker model quickly. Should take like no time. Definitely gonna have to add some like curtains or something here to make it look more random, but I'll do that eventually. This is good enough for the playtest. Blender here. Bunk, ship bunk. Perfect. Now let's make a locker. Add mesh cube. Locker. It's a monkey. What kind of ship map are you building? A cargo ship map from a multiplayer game. Yep, we're working on the interior right now. This is the storage room. We're working on the bunk room right now. This room's empty. It's going to be a cafeteria, eating room. And this is the engine room back here. And we still have like the tower to do. Yep. But we're just trying to get some props placed for playtest tomorrow. Okay, back to Blender. Scale on the Y. Scale on the X. By the way, who here in the chat's gonna join playtest tomorrow? Even if you just join for 10 minutes to see what it's like, because it's really not much in the game in terms of gameplay. It'd be cool if you joined. Tornado's joining. Play's joining. Yeah, I know you two were joining. Alas is joining. Container ship with bed. Place for people to sleep. Usually container ships have like cargo holds the whole way here, but whatever. It's a video game. Low poly locker. That's right. Got vents. Got the vents. Should we make it an interior? Yeah, let's make an interior. Sorry, I'm thinking here. Do I want an interior? I think I want an interior. You need IL2 CPP decompiler soon. Reply trying to take my code. Well, you're gonna see an ugly mess. So have fun with that. I'm gonna be taking that ugly mess head on right after this playtest, because I'm going to be converting it to Riptide, which is Tom's newest networking iteration. And there's a bunch of stuff I have to do to get it to work with it, because I have a bunch of code in places I shouldn't have it, I guess you could say. I gotta get my code out of Tom's code. But I should be able to do that. So I got 12 people. We're 12 strong. That's cool. 12 is a good number for my size. I can see your activity analytics. Yeah, that we hit a peak of 16. We're sitting at a solid 12 right now. I actually don't want too many people to be at the playtest, because I don't think it can handle very many people, the virtual machine that I have right now. But we'll see what happens. Installed Apex today. Yeah, I played that game at one point. Do you think it's okay to asset flip? Emerald says. What do you mean by that? Tom says if you mean stealing other people's assets and selling them, then no. Yeah, that's not a good thing. What do you mean by asset flip, though? Add cube. Whoa. Scale on Z. Scale on the Y. Scale on the X. I'm ahead. LS says Zippy, I'm ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and head out. This'll be. See you later in the Discord. I literally tried to say that word per word. See ya, LS. English 100. Yep. Am I making lockers? Yeah, does it not look like a locker? Question mark. Eek. What does it look like if it doesn't look like a locker? I'm scared now. You're just gonna recommend it and then realize you're already on it. Yeah, I'm already on it right now. Put some lockers, I think, at the end of the... I guess as an example, but I think... Oh boy. Like at the end here, and then also I'll just put them on the walls over here. But I think I'm gonna make this a shower or something eventually, but not today. Yeah, that's the plan. I need to make some vents. How do we make vents here? I need to make vents with a locker. Let me think about this here. I think I'm literally just gonna subdivide it a whole bunch. Here. Just give me this bad boy, bring it over. What the heck? Bring it over. What is going on? Why is that? Oh crap, I have increment. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Okay, will you be adding Easter eggs in the final release? Yeah, I'm an Easter egg guy. I think there's... I'm not going to say there's an Easter egg. But yeah, I like Easter eggs. Nested... There is already an Easter egg. Herb. There you go, there's an Easter egg. An asset flip is a type of video game in which a dev purchases pre-made assets and uses them to create numerous permutations of generic, often unfinished games to sell to unsuspecting outcomers in the use of a final product, according to Wikipedia. Thank you for looking it up, Tom. Yeah, I know what you're talking about now. Yeah, so basically making a game with a whole bunch of pre-made assets, and it's not really a good game, and it's not really your game because you used a whole bunch of pre-made assets, right? Yeah. So yeah, the asset flips depends. Well, if an asset flip means that basically making a bad game with assets you bought on the store, then no, don't do that. Now, buying assets on the store and then making a good game, that's different, right? And you shouldn't, especially art assets, are assets that you got to be careful with because you want your game to look unique. And if you just buy art assets off the store, then your game might look exactly like some other game, right? Whereas buying stuff like tools off the asset store is perfectly fine because it's just a tool, right? Scale on the Y. That's my opinion on it. And now we're gonna remove all of these bad boys. Oh wait, did I make an even? Let's check that first. 1, 2, wait, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I didn't. So I need one more. Okay, now let's delete all these guys. Maybe like, Zippy, what? You're about to delete all your hard work? Well, I don't want those vertices there because they're a complete waste of geometry, so I'm just gonna remake it without them. Boom. Delete vertices. Often assets come in a bunch of small packs, so your game might kind of look like a patchwork, says Tom. Yeah. Because assets from a whole bunch of different places might look slightly different and not match your style. Yeah. Good for prototyping though, definitely, yeah. It's kind of a tedious task here. I can click faster than I can use that circle select tool, so I don't know why I even bother. Ready? Look at this click speed. Ready? There you go. Look at that. Way faster than the circle select tool. Okay, let's get rid of these bad boys here. Boom, 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 boom. Delete. Faces. And on the other side, boom, 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 boom. Delete. Faces. Yeah, vents. And now fill in all the tedious geometry. Once you input it into Unity, Blender's going to recreate all those verts because the mesh must consist of triangles. It recreates the mesh when you import it in Unity? Really? Because it must consist of triangles. Yeah, but me removing them will still make it recreate it with less, won't it? Or will it actually recreate it with less on its own? Is what you're saying. It might reduce it. Yeah, I don't know. That's a good question. I actually should probably look into that, how exactly it works. I guess we can look at the wireframe once we pull it in Unity and see what it looks like. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's figure it out together, what it does. I'd be interested to know. What exactly it does. Okay, there's a locker door. Hello. I'll try to make the geometry work. It'll try to make geometry work with the least amount of verts. Really? Okay, that's nice. So then I might not even have to do this then. I might just wasted a bunch of time. But, okay. Well, I guess we'll know in a minute. I might have just wasted all kinds of time. Scale on the X on the Y. Locker. Closed. Actually, you know what we do? We do this. Locker. And we do this bad boy. We go like this. LLP selection. Locker. Door. Locker. There you go. File, export, FBX. Locker. Now, will that put them under the same object? I think it will. But to find out. Selected, export. We're good. Unity. Our event's gonna show dark abyss or locker inside. Locker inside. No, I'll split any n. It'll split any n-gons into tries using as few verts as possible. But if you have split verts, like you did before, and deleted them, it won't remove any of those. Okay, so it is good that I removed them then. It just might even go. That might actually increase it'll increase the triangle count, right? But it would have been even worse if I hadn't removed all those excess ones, right? Maps. Map. Blocker. Generate colliders. Generate light map vs apply. Okay. Yeah, depending on the geometry, it could reduce the final vert count, or I might change to nothing at all. Okay. I wonder if it'll ever go up, though. Ship map, ship prototype. Boom, boom. Cool. And let's rotate this guy 90 degrees. Why is the pivot way over there? What the heck? Shouldn't the pivot be... Hi NATO, Noto, Predator, Noto Predator. Hopefully I said that right. File, export, FBX. Why is the center all the way over here? What the heck? Oh, there we go. Okay, I think it just fixed itself. No. No, the center's still way over there. Okay, I'll figure out why that is. I think it has something to do with... It needs to be at the origin in Blender, maybe. Hey Tom and Zippy, hey. 16 people watching, cool. Hello everybody. How's it going? How's it going on this night or day or whatever time it is? For me it's almost 9 o'clock. We're gonna go for about another hour here. Do. Let's open one of these doors a little bit. You know what? I need to set the pivot on this thing differently. Object. Oh god. No. Object. Oh, what is it? Oh, what is it to set the origin? Object. Set origin. There we go. Set origin. 3D cursor. There we go. File. Export. FBX. Export. Ah, that screwed up all the door positions. Dang it. I don't like that. Why did it do that? I need to slow down my movement speed here. Slower down here. Turn off the lighting so I can see this better here. copy this, copy position, paste position, and paste position. There we go. Now we can go like this on the pivot, and we can crack the door open a little bit like that. There we go. That guy left his locker open. He's just gonna get robbed. I should probably bring that in. Oh, chat's going like crazy. There we go. Also, I guess UV Q projection, file export, FBX export, back in UD. There we go. Boy, so many chats. If the door position is fine in Blender, can't you just revert the transform in Unity? Read that way too late. Probably could have just done that. I fixed it manually though. Rip doors. How much money you have? What? Add something in the locker. What do you want me to add in the locker? Ooh, that's messed up. Recalculate normals. What do you want me to add in the locker? Let me know. Something, it's gotta be something quick because I don't want to waste too much more time on this. Toy herb. Mini herb. Okay. Models. uh, 0.1. It's a toy herb. It's probably way too high to see, so I'm gonna put it down on the bottom. Okay. There you go. You happy? I need to give him. I have to make sure to give him the materials when I actually material herb. Zippy, but a solid cube is an Easter egg. I like the little toy herb though. Reload fixed it. Something was broken, I guess. Looking good. Yep. Maybe make that locker with Easter egg open when shot by a gun. Sure. Maybe eventually, but right now it's fine like this. You're gonna protect Toy Herb. You're just gonna camp the bunk room that has like no cover. Materials, ship map, ship prototype. Boom. There we go. There's little baby herb. Might actually be pretty dark in there when I bake the lighting. We'll have to see. Okay, let's copy these two lockers over here. What the heck? I didn't grab crap. I didn't grab the... What the heck? did I do here? I grabbed the door and stuff here. I need to grab the whole thing. These two. Duplicate. Go. There we go. Got lockers on the ends. I want to kill that herb. Aw, but he's a little herb. What console will we be on? PC, for now. And you know, if it's actually turns into an actual game, then we'll look at the consoles. But right now, it's just early development. Just doing this for fun. Who knows if it's going to be an actual full-fledged game. But yeah. Is there anything that inspired that low poly art style? Good question. I think, I was gonna say thin matrix, but I was doing low poly before thin matrix. That was part of the reason why I started watching him, is because he was doing it. But I don't know where the low poly art style. I just saw it once and was like, yeah, I want to do that. I like that art style. It's a good question, but I don't really know how to answer it, unfortunately. I saw it and thought it was cool, and it was easy to model. I found modeling tutorials on YouTube about it, so that's just what I did, what I started doing. But yeah, it's definitely a good choice because it's quick to model and it looks pretty good. Some people salivate over it like Tom, so. Looking at low poly on Google Images. Yeah. Herb killer. No, don't kill Herb. Look at him, he's so cute. Look at him down there. Look at him. Attack Herb, hold AMC. Even high poly games have low poly stuff, just a lot of mapping, textures, normals, but yeah, exactly. And it's actually, you know, you want to make it as low poly as possible to improve performance. This just kind of exaggerates the low poly and purposely don't put detailed textures on the models and stuff to make that look, right? Okay, there's the bunk room. For now, that's good enough for the playtest. Now, the canteen room. We have an hour here. We have about an hour before I should probably go. So let's see what we can add to this room. Suggestions are welcome for the canteen / cafeteria room. I'm thinking seating areas we need. And then I'm thinking a start to like a kitchen area, kind of. Like a cruise kitchen, kind of. Why you gotta make it weird? What? Do. Okay. Ship. What would I search for? Canteen? Is that how you spell canteen? No, it is not. Ship. Kitchen. This is like a big ship's kitchen, though. Cargo. I want like not a fancy ship, like a rundown ship kind of. Ship. Eating area. Just have a picnic. Oh, I don't want a fancy eating area. Submarine. How you spell submarine? It is how you spell it. Yeah, this is what I'm thinking. More like this. Yeah, here we go. This is more military style, I guess. I'm thinking more like stool type, like this. That way they're like strapped down if the ship moves, right? Let's get like a table going here. Oh, way too big. What's poppin', my dude? Hey, Fallon. We're modeling stuff for the ship map. How's it going? Kitchen looking good. Looks like a normal kitchen to me. Which kitchen? I'm assuming one of these things. Looks like a school desk. That's the style I'm going for, though. Oh, you know what we also need is these riveting things. We didn't put them in this room either. Oh, we also need to center this door, don't we? Actually, did I put the stuff in the wrong room in Unity? Actually, I think it's fine. I think I put them in the opposite. Yeah, I put the, okay, well, that's fine. The bunk room's closer to the storage room. So, yeah, we put the props in the inverted rooms. That's okay. You go over there. You come over here. Now you need moved over. So let's grab you. Grab you. You. Move you this way. Whoa. What am I missing here? I'm missing something. Like, right. I'm gonna guess right there, but we'll have to check in Unity. Okay. Scale this guy down. We don't need all that extra stuff this time. Hosting is the most is the more annoying part. Sorry, need to read the chat. Who would simp for Zippy? This map is deathmatch for plant, site, or something else. Also, do you have plans for a story about map? Yeah, I don't know what the story would be behind this map. You're out at sea and it seems like maybe there's, I don't know, pirates or whatever. The thing is there's multiple game modes, so it's not really about the story, it's just about the gameplay, I guess. Doesn't really have a story. It's a cargo ship at sea. Maybe pirates or something are fighting over it. I don't know. Hosting is the most annoying part in figuring out anything official like that. You mean like hosting a multiplayer? Or no, hosting a Minecraft server? You can just you can rent a server. I don't know how much it is a month, but you can do something like that and everybody kind of just gives, you know, if you split it 30 ways and the server costs 30 bucks a month, that's $1 a month. I think we could all part that. What is he making? I am RC Master. I'm working on a ship map here, placing props. We're working on like a canteen / kitchen / cafeteria room right now. Glad you could join us. Did somebody say pirates? So here's the story. My game and Tom's game have now merged, and Tom's pirates ship is invading mine. My modern day cargo ship is being invaded by Tom's pirate ship. Okay, there's the story. Satisfied? In the future, will there be skill-based matchmaking? If the game is popular and requires some type of matchmaking, yeah. Maybe. But right now, no. In the future, yeah, but not right now. Not enough player base for any sort of matchmaking. Time traveling pirates, apparently. Yep. Like, what is that? What is the, Peter Pan? Yeah. I guess that's not time traveling, it's like dimension traveling more. Table. Table? Table. Just a table. They have a time machine. No doubt you could board tanker, but neat story. How long I've been working on this? Like the whole game or this map? This map, like a month and a half, 2 months. The game since last April, so what is that, like 8 months? 9 months? I'm just gonna help Tom answer this. Tom's solution, Let's Debug, can work for anything multiplayer. It's up to you to develop it though, right? He only gives you the tools that you need to make simple movement, and then from there on you have to implement features on your own, right? He gave you all the networking tools, how to send data back and forth, and then it's your turn to step up and use those tools, right? So yeah, I can do anything multiplayer pretty much. Not desk, it's called table. Export. Yeah, I figured I'd save you typing there, Tom. You're welcome. Ship map, models, maps, ship map, table. Slap it in here. Oh, we gotta recalculate normals because those legs are invisible. We also got a UV cube project that bad boy. And add a material prototype. And recalculate normals. File, export, FBX, X support. Back to Unity. There we go. Normals are fixed now. Now we gotta go say generate colliders, generate light map UVs, apply. Then we throw her in the ship map. Gonna also make a create empty. Oh, not in the bunk room, not in the bunk room. Just here. Create empty cafe room. Throw the table under that. Save this bad boy. Get the material on this bad boy from ship map, prototype. And let's get this table over here, right up against the wall, and let's hop in the game and see what it looks like in terms of scale. Thinking it's looking too small, possibly, but let's scenes, main menu, save, run it. Boy, chat's going like crazy. Just gives you the tools to send data back and forth, and that's the basis for any game. Yep, exactly what Tom just said. I'm just making maps. Right now I'm working on this map. Hey, what's happening here? I just joined. Working on the ship map if you watch my latest devlog. If not, go watch it after the stream. We have an error. What the heck? Client send. That's weird. That was weird error. Watching develop map, especially for things like tables where one box cutter would do the trick. They're kind of expensive. Yeah, I should probably do that. This one, yes, can definitely just have a box collider. Stuff like this. You could go through it and makes a bunch of box clutter. That's kind of annoying. Yeah, I see what you mean though. Like these ones, definitely they're closed. Definitely just be a box collider. Actually, these ones can too because it's not like you're going in there. So yeah. Actually, I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna turn these into a convex mesh collider. This thing can definitely be box colliders, like Tom said. Making the mesh collider convex saves a lot of performance, doesn't it? The player's gonna be able to get at them, because if not, you could just put one collider out of the whole shelf of the beds. Yeah, although you could probably do stuff like throw the weapon in there, maybe. We'll see. That's true. It just might be a little derpy, because if you shoot, you'll see the bullet effects floating in midair type thing. How's the scale look? Sorry, you guys see it really small. Here, how does the scale look? Definitely needs to be higher, I think. A little bit higher. No. A little bit higher. A little bit wider. Yeah. Higher and wider. How's it going today? It does help. Yeah, I'm pretty sure turning it convex helps a lot. Which I've done with all the props in... Whoa. Yeah, like these are all convex colliders. Herbert is his full collider because he's got all these holes you can shoot through. That's another thing, like if it's something like these railings, you could either leave the mesh collider or you could put it on different collision layers so bullets can go through them but not the player, which might be what I should do with all these railings because there's a lot of vertices there to calculate mesh colliders on. The stairs, I'm definitely just going to make a sloped mesh collider, I think. Although, what if you want to shoot through those holes? See what I mean? I need to figure that out. Because like these stairs, I don't know what I would do because you can make the whole thing a nice ramp, but then what happens if somebody tries to shoot through the stair holes, right? So I think I gotta leave it as a full mesh collider. Any thoughts on that, Tom? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Don't know how much it affects the performance. Okay, let's make this thing a little bit bigger. Hello? What the heck? Is there two here? Oh, hello. Table and cube. Why is there two? Delete. Maybe make it a ramp and do the layers thing like you said for the railings. But then you have two colliders, which is even worse. Wait, no. But the stairs are kind of solid and you shouldn't be able to shoot through the stairs, right? Or you should be able to shoot through the holes in the stairs, but not the stairs themselves, whereas the railings are pretty thin, so it's okay if you like shoot through them, right? So for the stairs, I'm not sure what to do because I want the hit detection of the stairs, which means I need the full mesh collider. Yeah. Looking like a school table right now, yeah, it definitely is. Well, that's what this looks like pretty much, doesn't it? I don't know what to tell you. I don't know if somebody's already asked this, but what mic are you using? Me? Just this headset mic. The Razer Kraken. The box is right here. Razer Kraken Tournament Edition. Razer Kraken Tournament Edition. How does it sound? It's not the best mic in the world, but it's pretty decent. I record all my stuff with it. It's more of a gaming mic rather than a recording mic, but it works fine, I think, with a few audio adjustments. Well, it'd probably be rare for somebody to shoot mostly vertically through the stairs. Plus, maybe the stairs would be thin enough IRL for bullets to pass through. Yeah, although shooting through the stairs this way there's lots of holes, right? Shooting it through this way, you definitely want the collision, because you don't actually see them at all, because the stairs are completely blocking your way. Yeah, I don't know. Oop. It's something I gotta test how performance intensive the collision is, although there's not too many models in this map, so it shouldn't be too bad compared to the valley map. All those trees that make it look dope but take up all the performance in the world. Although the billboarding works pretty good, so I'm proud of that. Well, I pretty much just used Winterbolt's asset, but yeah. Still needed a bunch of tweaking to get it working with my game, because it doesn't really work very well when you change scenes and a bunch of other things. Beat. Bases. Oh nice, it's pretty good. My Wi-Fi is really bad right now. Is there an in-game console? What do you mean? Like to type stuff? Yeah. It's a chat window right now. It's kind of like Minecraft. Basically what I'm basing it off of. Same concept of Minecraft, you type commands in the chat. Pretty much what I'm copying. Oh boy, what just happened? There we go. UV, Q projection. Alright, gotta go. Have a good rest of your stream. Yeah, we're just gonna go for another half an hour. See you later, Tom. Thanks for joining. Good luck on your game. Here, so I'll go to sleep. Oh, 3:25 a.m. I'm guessing here. Go to sleep. Have a good night / day. Yeah, it's nighttime for me here too. It's approaching 9:30. See you later. Milan Street. Not sure if I said that right. See you later, man. File, export, FBX, table, export. See how it looks in Unity. Boop, 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 boop. Table, boom. Static, convex. Here we go. Let's fulfill Tom's wishes here. Boom, boom. Convex. I need to make these prefabs. I'm gonna leave that one non-convex. Actually, and I'm gonna make this thing have a collider. That one can definitely be convex. Ooh. Ah, crap. Convex. All those can be convex. Almost 9:30 for me too. Yeah, you're probably in the same time zone as me then, EST. Well, We'll just go to 10 probably. We'll see what we have by then. And that'll be it for the play test. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to work on getting all the builds ready for the game, getting the server working. And then in the afternoon, we'll shoot each other, probably leg everything out. And yeah. Hopefully it'll be fun. So I'm thinking right here will be kitchen area. Hi all. Oh, you did hide herb around the map. Yeah, so I guess you just got in on the Easter egg. We put a little itty bitty herb in the locker there, and then there's big herb wrong way. There's big herb all the way up here in his actual scale. No name, one channel says, like your vids, I have a suggestion. Hit me up. What's your suggestion? What do you suggest? Add a cube here. Kill on the Y. You know the ruins crouching in Apex You know the runs crouching in Apex Legends? I don't know what you mean. What do you mean? What? Run crouching in Apex Legends. No, I don't know what you mean. Like sliding, you mean? Sliding? Yeah. Why, you want sliding? I think I've thought about it. You want sliding in my game? You think that'll be cool? Sliding. Just thinking about how hard that would be to implement right now, though. Don't know how I would do about sliding. I'm sure there's some stuff on YouTube about how to do it. Yeah, I'm thinking more the animation would be the hard part. I'm thinking more animation is going to be kind of a pain for me. More mobility. I think it would be cool, but more animations. Yeah, it would. And the whole like changing the state into the slide state animation stuff will be, you know, a challenge to get the animations to look good. So you gotta keep in mind, you can see all the player animation from first person too, which you gotta pay attention and make sure that looks good too, right? Okay, so I think I'm gonna add some more kitchen-y stuff over here. Eventually, this is like the dining area where they'll be able to grab their food, I guess. But I'll add some more kitchen-y stuff in the back there. Yep. just export this to Unity and see how it looks. Oh, file, export, FBX. We are the whole ship hull with this one. It's gonna mess up all the lighting. It's okay, say goodbye to that, but now we can have that thing in here. Yeah, cool. Oh, look if we got another table over here. Control C. There's a table in here. How's that look? How does that look? I wish Popular Games should release some of their code. Yeah, but then that's giving away all their coding secrets, right? And doing stuff like that also makes hackers much easier to do things, right? There's tons of open source games though. You just gotta find them. Yeah, so here, you know, I just changed that edge to be a little bit out more, right? Like in Unity, it's not out. So what I do is I already have the model. I know all these things here, right, are file export FBX. The ship hull model here, which has already been exported before, obviously, because all the ships there. I just click export, it overrides it. Throw her in Unity or open Unity here. You can see it's got the updates. That's how I do it, and it's pretty quick if you have a quick computer. So then you can see the changes pretty live, right? Do 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 do. What if I can literally just yeet models from my materials? Why am I looking at materials? Maps, valley map, big house. Yeah, I could probably just stove. I brought the whole house in. I brought the whole house in. There's a house on water. Yeah, we don't want that. Okay, bye-bye. What I want is the stove from it. House stove. I'll just make a new one. Yeah, that's fine. We'll just let it blend right into the map here. And we're gonna do this because scale on the right here. We're gonna put a big stove there, I think. So I'm gonna do actually all these lip things. I don't want it to be sticking out that much. We're gonna do this. Boop, 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 boop. Boop. Delete faces. Delete faces. Delete faces. All this stuff here. And instead, we're gonna slap a stove in here. UV Q projection. There we go. I hope you have that many folders in my game. I hope I have that many folders in my game one day. Yeah, the folders get a lot bigger your project gets. Oh god. If I leave, that means my Wi-Fi cut out. Okay. Thanks for the heads up. Yeah, we're gonna put a big stove here, I think. Add mesh cube. Actually, just make it. Add cube. Gonna have to separate these meshes into their own eventually, but for now, we're gonna leave it as its own, as part of the ship mesh here. Okay. Turn this off. Get off. Hello. Let me select you. There we go. Hello. Did everyone go? Oh, looks like we're down to 3 people here. I guess so. It's getting pretty late. Nobody wants to watch anymore. I'll wrap it up soon, I guess. Everyone died. Most likely solution. Coronavirus got them all. How are you planning on releasing the game to people? Not sure. There's Steam, Epic Games, like there's those kind of launchers. Not sure if I want to use those, but we'll have to see. Eight. 6. Scalar down, scalar on the V. Add a cube. Whoa, scalar way down. Way too big. It's gonna be like a flat grill thing over here. Scale on the X, on the Y. Everyone died. Most lol. Hi Zach. Hey VWWV. Now we're back up to 8 people. Thanks for joining. We are modeling stuff for the ship map. If you see my latest devlog, you'll know what that's about. Working on the kitchen / cafeteria right now. What are you up to, VWWV? Add cube, scale down. Scale on the X. Scale on the Y. Rotate on the Y. Rotate on the X. You're my favorite YouTuber, says Kai Brooks. Thank you. I don't know what I did to be your favorite YouTuber, but cool. You like my game dev content? That's all I do pretty much, right? Okay, well, that's the makeshift kitchen for now. Sure. Let's export all these things into file export FBX. Ship all opener in Unity. Uh-oh. The normals are screwed. Why are the normals all screwed up? Oh boy. Why is it screwing up with all the normals? Recalculate normals. Flip normals. File export FBX. Export. There we go. Now they're fixed. The lighting is going to be all screwed up because I need to rebake the lighting, and I'm not going to do that on stream, so it's going to look all screwed up. It's not going to look good. Check out the Discord showcase. I'll post screenshots like right after the stream once I bake the lighting of what we did today. Okay? I think this is good enough for the playtest. We got some tables in here. We got a makeshift kitchen, which obviously I'll add way more. Okay. And then we got the bunk room here, which is looking more finished. Although I think I want to put some shower stalls over here or something. Okay. Yep. Yippers. Coolidge. The music feels nostalgic even though I have never listened to it before. Well, it ended now. That last music, you want to play it again? There it is. Frying pan weapon. Sure, that sounds like a good kind of troll weapon. Wow, we were doing good at like 15 viewers on average for the past like 2 hours, and then now it's dropped down. These last 15 minutes, we're down at 6 viewers now, so I think that is a good sign that it's time for me to stop for the night. Yes, you want a frying pan? So let's just you know, do a final walkthrough of what we did tonight. I just got on. Oh, sorry, AFK dog. We've been going for almost 3 hours now, so. Okay, yeah, so lighting is going to be broken because we can't bake the lighting on stream because it lags the stream like crazy. But this is what we did today. Not this. We did this last stream. But in here, there we go. We got lockers going here. We got all the bunks. You know, this gives some cover to hide behind. You know, I need to put the colliders on the server still. We got, you know, baby Herb in there as an Easter egg. This looks sick. Thanks. The lighting looks terrible right now because like all these weird shadows and stuff because I haven't baked it, but yeah. So yeah, there's the bunk room. Still a work in progress, but that's a good amount of props for the playtest to hide behind. Then we got over here, we got the, oh boy, where's the door? There's the door. The colliders aren't synced yet. So, yeah. We got kitchen here, you know, hide behind a little bit. Some tables here. Don't really do anything other than looks, I guess, but you can fry up some eggs, grill some bacon. Okay. So yeah, those are the 2 rooms we did today. Yeah. We also made it kill you if you jump in the water. Woo! How long until release? Well, are you on the Discord server? We're doing a playtest tomorrow at 2 o'clock in the afternoon-ish EST. So join the Discord server, pick up the playtester role if you want to play the game tomorrow. A release? Who knows? Game's nowhere near release. Is that that hierarchy tool? Yeah, it's called Hierarchy 2 play. Hierarchy 2? It's called Hierarchy 2. It's on the oh boy, I can't think right now. Asset store. Head glitching isn't possible thanks to the big brain. What? Okay. Fly. So yeah, thanks for joining the stream. For the 6 of you that are still here, thank you for joining the stream. I'm sorry if you just joined, but that is it for today. And make sure to join the Discord server if you want to play tomorrow afternoon. And yeah, thanks for joining. Say your goodbyes in chat right now. I will see you next time I stream. Zippy is out. See you guys.